Start down here. It's not lighting up, but here is the elevator.
36
Yep, go 35. I forgot to ask you, do you, are you okay with being in videos anymore or no?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Oh, okay. So I know some people that don't film anymore, don't even want to be seen. I've seen
I like
that.
these cabs.
There's a guy I
They're
met a few.
the original cabs from the minor cab update with the stripes.
Yeah, I figured the stripes looked new. Or was it all just brass chrome on the doors and stuff?
Yeah.
Stopped on
The floor is
31. Seriously? Somebody must have gotten antsy and pushed both buttons. Let's see, is this? Oh, it doesn't beep. 35th floor. All right, let's hop out.
35?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Sorry, we sort of waited in there.
All right.
Anyway, up here.
I got to do a down take too.
I'll get my pictures.
All right, you do your photos. I'm gonna do a down take, and I'll probably do one of the other elevator bank. Seeing as how we got this far, might as well.
Oh, yeah.
This is also one of the few. Brian's over there. There we go. I know my videos, I always feel like my focus is so bad nowadays.
You can hear the generators.
Yeah.
Not the generators.
Otis Extra Double High Rise Gen 2.
I like that duct tape floor indicator.
Yeah.
Duct tape and cardboard.
Funny thing is, they're just above the height limit to be Gen 2.
Yeah.
Like, you could actually have Gen 2s at this height.
The screen on the side is taped off. They got a cardboard thing.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
About the car. They use like the leather colored duct tape.
Okay.
How much do you think 50/50 is?
They have a little voice on them. I didn't know they had that. It's so quiet. All right.
Did you get the speed test?
Yeah, 552.
550?
Sweet.
It's incredibly slow. All right, that's